In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy technique to using cream blushes that won't leave your makeup patchy, foolproof. Like, this is literally how I apply cream blushes and it works. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adama Kenneth. If you're new here, welcome. I am a professional makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. I get asked a lot of questions in my DMs, and one of them that keeps reoccurring is, how do I apply cream blush? Cream blushes have always been around, but in recent times there's been like a wave of, more people wanting to experiment, try it out. A lot of brands releasing cream products. So we have all of these products, and there's a lot of people wondering, how do I use it? I don't know how to play around with it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy technique to applying your cream blushes, as well as a full dewy makeup look tutorial on dark skin. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any uploads. Without rambling on for too long, let's dive right into it. Going in with the Marix Illuminating Veil. This is a liquid highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this in all of the areas where light would naturally hit. I have gone on to do skin prep before this, so this is like the last step in my skin prep routine. I have a video here on YouTube. I'm going to link it up and in the description box below, so if you'd like to see the products I use for skin prep when I'm trying to achieve like a dewy finish, definitely check that video out. Once I'm done applying this in all of the areas I want it to be, I will then go in with foundation. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Deep Golden. This shade is her exact match. I really love it when I have foundations that I don't have to mix. I love to mix, but when I get a foundation that is just an exact match, for the client I'm working on or the model, I absolutely love it. I'm just going to apply this with a buffing brush and make sure that it is evenly distributed on her skin. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this underneath her eyes. This is going to bring forward that part of the face. I'm going to also apply this down the bridge of her nose and then blend it in with a beauty sponge. Also, don't forget to apply in the forehead and on the chin as well. Before I blend this out, I'm going to allow it to sit for a bit, and then whilst I'm waiting for it to get a bit tacky, I'm going to go in with my cream contour. And for cream contour, I'm using the Marix Balm Contour in the shade Deep 2, and then I'm just contouring her nose. Once my concealer is tacky enough, I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge. The beauty sponge I'm using is the Raha Cosmetics beauty sponge. Absolutely love it because it's super soft. Make sure you wet your beauty sponge and then squeeze out the water. Allow it to be damp and then blend. I haven't tried to blend with a dry beauty sponge before. I really don't know how that would go, but I always make sure that my beauty sponge is damp because this gives a very airbrushed finish. Also, there's something I do where I kind of keep going in between my brush and my beauty sponge. So at the end of the day, this is to make sure that I get the most seamless and flawless blend. So don't be afraid to switch between your brush and your beauty sponge. To set all over the face, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Face Powder in the shade Dark Deepest, and I'm just applying this with a powder brush and lightly setting everywhere that I have applied foundation. To set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Beauty by AD Loose Setting Powder. And I'm also applying this with a powder brush because I want the skin to be very fresh. I'm actually not baking in this tutorial today, so we're just going very light with all of the products that we're using. And I'll be applying this loosely in all of the areas that I highlighted. Next, I'll be going in with the Maybelline powder in the shade Mocha, and I'll be using this to contour. I'll be applying this using a fluffy angled brush. This brush will help my application to be a lot easier. A beginner tip that I would like to mention is when you are new to cream blushes, I recommend that you do powder contour instead of doing cream contour, because this will help your product to not be patchy, and it will help you easily work the product than when you have cream blush and cream contour. Now to the start of the show, I will be using the TM Essentials cream blush in the shade Headline. These blushes are absolutely amazing. I'm going to be applying this using a damp beauty sponge. Actually, the sponge that I used to apply foundation, I'm going to be using this to apply the cream blush. Now this is my best, highly recommended way to apply cream blush. Use a damp beauty sponge, preferably one that already has product on it. Swirl the beauty sponge on the pan and then apply directly on the cheekbone and everywhere else that you would like the product to be in. Another tip is to also apply your illuminator or highlighter at this point and then go in to continue to apply the cream blush, so that way by the time you're applying the cream blush, everything blends in together and is very seamless. You don't have any lines of demarcation. All you have is a very flawless base that is glowy, fresh, and doesn't look patchy in any way. I'm just going in over and over till I get the intensity that I want, and then to just continue to blend in that product into the skin. Notice that I take a lot of time to actually press this in, and that is how you apply cream blush. If you just pat and go on your way, you might not get that flawless application. So you want to take your time to actually blend in the product into the skin. And I absolutely love the texture of these blushes. If you are new to using cream blushes, make sure that you use a product that is not going to make your application harder. I find that there's some that I've used in the past that weren't that great, but I absolutely love this one because once I just use my damp beauty sponge and do all of the steps that I showed in this video, my application just goes on very seamlessly. Next, for lips, I'll be going in with the Janessa Marix Color Fix Nudes, and I'm using this as a lipstick. I have already gone on to apply dark lip liner. You guys know I love my brown lip liners. I've already applied that, and then I'm going in with this nude shade. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the Color Fix range from Janessa Marix because they are very versatile. You can use them to do anything. You can apply this on the cheeks, you can apply this as lipstick. Honestly, like, it is a makeup artist's dream where you have one product that can do so many things. It helps with packing, for like trips. You don't have to start carrying so many things because you have that one product that can do 2, 3, 4 things for you. I absolutely love it. After that is applied, I will go in with a clear lip gloss and just apply this all over her lips. And that is the finished look. absolutely loved how this look turned out. By the way, of course, she's wearing lashes from Biodama Kenneth, and this style is called Tradway. I absolutely love how this look turned out. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried cream blushes before, if you love them, you know, if you're going to try them now. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more content from me. Till I come your way in my next video, you can watch my other videos here on YouTube. They're tutorials, they're very detailed. Thank you for watching.